Hi everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to save your clipboard history. Consider for an example, you are on google.com and you copied some information here and you press Ctrl C and you went to Notepad or WordPad and you pressed Ctrl V here. It pastes the information here. But what if you want to save all the information which you are copying on google.com or some document? What you can do is you can just press, instead of pressing Ctrl V, press Windows and letter V as in victory. So instead of pressing Ctrl V, if you press Windows V as in victory, it shows up all the information which you have copied in the past. Okay, so this is the history of all the information which you have copied on some website like Google or some other blog or somewhere else. Okay, so this saves a lot of time for you, because if you want to refer back to the information which you have copied in the past, then you have to simply press Windows V and it shows all the history here. Okay, so this is all the information and it saves a lot of time for you as well, and you need not switch between two applications. Alright, so I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you very much.